morning, everyone. I just got up and made a cold start videos for you guys, and it's a very frosty morning. Temperature now shows 16 degrees. I'm not sure if the camera shows it right there. When I did the cold start, it was about 15 degrees, and you can see still see that the car is frosty on the hood and on the windshield. It's warming up nicely in here now. The heat and everything works exactly like how it's supposed to. So with that, have fun watching the cold start video, and I'll catch you later.